Hello everyone. We shall learn how to make a donut chart which is not there as a default chart in Tableau. So for that I am selecting the sum of the price and say the color. For that you get the bar chart as a default here, but I will be selecting the pie chart from here. Now what we have to do here is there is a trick for this. I have to go for the two axis, that is average, and just pass the parameter as 0. This is 1. Once again you have to do this with average parameter as again 0, this way. Now you get the two charts over here, but what you have to do is actually go for the dual axis option. So these two are combined here. Now it has created the two instances, that is this one and this one. So what you have to do in second one, you drop all these fields which were there here like this, and then you are left with only this one, wherein you have to just resize this chart and make it like this. Say if I select this size, say, so now it is in the form of donut, and then if you see the entire view, you get it like this. So you can drop this axis, that show header, you can delete that option over here. Now if you place the color option here on the text, it will show you that this is red, this is black, and so on. And you know how to format these colors, if as it is a representation in color, so better you can select the black color for this much sector and so on. So this is a trick, just as of out of interest I am sharing this. So okay, you just try this.